What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia. Welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. We're back for reaction video for our bunso, Ruel Carino. Ito po ang request ni Ma'am Mel Escalante. Ang performance ni Ruel ng Hinahanap-Hanap Kita sa 8 Bulaga. Yes, sinaranan niya ang mga Dabber Cats ng Hinahanap-Hanap Kita. And excited tayo to check this out. And this is uploaded by Admin Rochelle. Thank you so much for uploading this. But before proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, you're playing in 3, 2, 1. I go. Here it is, guys. RCFA pala. Ay, a fresh ng bunso. Iba ang hagod, guys. Fresh na fresh. Bunso Ruel Carino, I love the outfit. Ay, ang mga ka-RCFC, oh. At sa ligaya, iyong hatid sa aking buhay, ko'y ang bida sa isipan ko'y oh my God, the confidence of Ruel sa pagbitaw niya nung ano na yun a vocal flair. I love that phrase, that refrain, oh my God. Super confident na talaga si Ruel. Balikan natin. Tingnan niyo yung pagbuga niya na ikaw. Smooth. Kasama niya mga clothes. So, nandito na si Karen. Iba na ang hagod ni Ruel ngayon. Diba? And that small movement, grabe, ang sweet. At talaga naman, Gen Z version ng Hinahanap-Hanap Kita. Diba? Feel ng bunso ang kanyang pagkanta. Grabe. Sila main, oh. Ay, ayun na pala yun. Ay, nabitin ako, guys. Ulitin natin. Diba ang fresh ni Ruel? Diba ang sweet ng hagod? Such an orgasm talaga. Gusto ko yung part na yun. Dito si Lucky, oh. Jive na jive. Bagay pala kay Ruel yung ganito din. Yung mga OPM band. There you have it, guys. That is Bunso Ruel Carino giving his own version of Hinahanap-Hanap Kita. He gave a new, fresh vibe to the song. Tapos bagay yung boses ni Ruel pala sa mga ganitong OPM band song as well, na classic, no? Sana he can have, kailan ba magkaka-album itong si Ruel? Kahit cover version album, sana bigyan siya ng 8 Bulaga or ng TBJ ng chance to have his own album kasi he deserve it, guys. At talaga naman, he improves ang ganda ng character development ni Ruel in terms of an artist. From a very shy type, young kid, ngayon naman nakita nyo, very confident performer ng ating bunso. Nakakatawa to see him bloom in this industry and he deserves all the love and support ng mga ka-RCFC natin. What can you say about this version of Ruel? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.